Slam dunk. It's a slam dunk that I'll pass my driver's test. I don't know that I've heard that from you when you're taking your driver's test, but what would I mean? A difficult, well, let's see, a difficult task. It's a slam dunk means it's a difficult task. Any other thoughts? Yes, down here? Father Jojen's group? It was wonderful, marvelous shot, a slam dunk. Okay. Gave him a lot of applause. It's a slam dunk.
It's a certainty.
It's a certainty.
Not chance.
It's not chance. Oh, I'm getting great expressions. I have no idea who to give the point to. A sure thing, a dramatic, forceful dunk in basketball. So it's a sure thing. It's a slam dunk. There's no way I'm going to fail that test. So who said that? Who gave me that definition?
Certainty, certainty.
A certainty. I would say it's a certainty. Okay, so I'll give that to you.